Alright, so we're here at the Bosque Bellas on the road at Old Town, Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's September 16th, 2008. Introduce yourselves. And be very, let's hear you. I want to hear your voice.
I'm Kyrstin.
Just first name only.
Hi, I'm Leena.
Hey, I'm Angela.
Hi, I'm Jan.
Alma.
Melody.
And together, you are all...
Bosque Bellas.
Wait, say it again.
The Bosque Bellas.
One more time.
Bosque Bellas.
And Eric is the Bosque boy.
I'm the Bosque boy.
And then for photographers...
Alright, so photographers here today. We got Hugo McGavin behind the camera here doing some BTS. We got Victor Ortiz from Rocco's Photography over here. We got Troy Caldwell from APS.
Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver.
We got Mr. Ken Lyle
Yes.
from Lyle Photography. Down there somewhere we got James Morales from Pro Shoot Magazine. He just left.
Excuse me, I'm just kidding.
Publishing that their this here shoot and his here